In this part we are going to learn how we can place the custom font in our Android application. So hit start a new Android Studio project and let it be custom font and hit next. Choose empty activity and hit next, and then finally finished. And here is our project. So let me drag this text to here, and let me drag one button here, and whenever I change this and whenever I click this button, this text has to be changed with a new font. So let me name this button as change font, and this text is going to be changed in a new font whenever I click this button. Fine. So go to the activity main activity.xml file, and we need to have the button object here and text view object, and we need to link them in with our XML file as find .id dot button, and then text view as find .id dot, and its name is probably, so let me see its name. Its name is, so it doesn't have any name, right? So let me ask text underscore id, and it will be text underscore id, and then we need to typecast it, and for button also we need to typecast it, and we need to have the set on click listener on this button. So we can do this like set on click listener and then new on click listener, and we need to override the on click method in here. So for this demonstration purpose I have used this custom font, and we are going to use this font in our Android application. So just go to the app and right click them and hit new, and then choose folder and create the asset folder. So and hit finish, and then it is going to create the asset folders for us, and inside the asset folder click right new, and then create the directory and name this folder as fonts and hit OK. So we have our fonts here, and just drag that font into our font folder like this, and make sure that you have named this font as font in lowercase, and it is of the TTF folder, that is TrueType font. Its extension should be TTF, and hit OK. And we have successfully bring that custom folder into our Android Studio. Now we have to get this font in our Java code. So I need to create this typeface object, and I need to initialize this typeface object by typeface equals to typeface.create from assets and the get assets. So we need to do like this main.activity.this.get assets underscore, and we need to specify that path. It is font underscore custom font.ttf, and we need to close this statement, and we need to change this text view, right? So it is type text view dot set typeface, and it is going to be our typeface object. So we are done, and now let's hit run. Choose your emulator and hit OK. And here is our sweet application, and let me change this font by clicking this button. And the reason that is crashing is, let us see in our logcat. So it says assets not found. Okay. Oh, so here is an error. So it should be custom font .tft. Now let me hit run, and now this time it should work. And here is our application. Now let me change this font, and there you see its font is changed. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next part.